Hey guys, I wanted to show you everlasting toilet flusher in Croatia that has been used for decades. Phenomenal system that just it never dies. I mean, it never breaks and it lasts forever. So we are looking at a bathroom, like a typical bathroom, and this here is called Akva flusher or water flusher in translation, and it's a very simple system. It has one pipe connected to the toilet, and the way it works is simply this way. Let's say you use a toilet. What you do, you just turn it and turn it back. Okay? Turn it on and off. You can regulate how much water you want to use. Let's say if it's just light flush you want to do, you just turn it like a little bit. Okay. Done. Alright. Just a little bit. Done. Alright. Let's say if it's very, like if there's a lot you want to flush, you can do this. Turn around. Okay, that's it. It lasts forever. You only need to have three-quarter pipe. This is three-quarter pipe connected to your toilet, and you need to have a three-quarter pipe in your wall coming from the main from your main pipe that connects your house to to the city water system. But anyway, this is it. Like there are no parts that break. Nothing breaks. This one has been here 40 years, and the only thing that occasionally you need to replace would be like a little rubber that goes all the way in the back. But that's also pretty rare. And it just never breaks. I mean, it's phenomenal, very simple, incredibly simple system for home bathrooms. So this, I know we have something like that in the United States, but they're all they're all kind of like automatic, and you need to put a battery in it, and they just keep dying and dying and dying, and you have to keep replacing parts over and over and over, and you cannot regulate the flush, and it gets expensive. So this is it. Just thought you would find this interesting because, hey, bathrooms and toilets are very important parts of the home. Okay, typical Croatian bathroom. All right.